Hello everyone, this is Vishwaraj from Mockat. I hope everyone's WAT-PI preparation are going good. And to help you with your WAT-PI preparation, we have come up with the top monthly news and global events for November month 2023 to continue with your YouTube monthly news series. Stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep you posted with all the current affairs you must need to know to crack your MBA interview. The list of top news and global events are as follows. Firstly, we have World's first AI Safety Summit, which has occurred in November 1st and November 2nd, 2023. India-US 2+2 summit occurred on November 10th, 2023. Thirdly, we have Uttarakand tunnel collapse rescue operation, which started on November 12th, continued to November 28th. At number 4, we have 2023 ICC Men's World Cup Finals. Lastly, we have OpenAI's management shakeup. First on our list, we have World's first AI Safety Summit. The event took place at Bletchley Park, UK on November 1st and 2nd of 2023. It was a significant milestone in the history of AI safety, as it brought together experts and policymakers from around the world to discuss the opportunities and risks of AI technology. The summit was a joint initiative of the Future of Humanity Institute at Oxford University. The event mainly focused on creating a roadmap for AI development that prioritized safety and alignment with human values and was well received in the AI community. In this summit, notable attendees included Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar, UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, tech mogul Elon Musk, and other global leaders have participated. The aim of the summit is to shed light on the transformative benefits of AI technology with a predominant focus on education, international research collaboration, and discussion on potential risk to national security and societal trust. Impact. The summit culminated in the creation of world's first agreement on AI safety, which is a significant step in promoting responsible and ethical development of AI technology. You can make note of this news as it might turn up as a VAT topic. Second on our list, we have India-US 2+2 Summit. This event was initiated in 2018. The 2+2 ministerial dialogue replaced the strategic and commercial dialogue resulting from an agreement between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi in June 2017. The aim and agenda of this summit is to focus on defense cooperation, technology transfer, co-manufacturing, critical and emerging technology initiative between India and US. The main challenges and commitment are the divergent views on Ukraine and India-Canada diplomatic rift. Despite these, the commitment to the relationship was evident and the dialogue proceeded. Nextly, we have Indo-Pacific commitment. Maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific was a central agenda. The security of supply arrangement and 2023 roadmap for defense industrial cooperation were finalized to enhance supply chain independence. Nextly, we have defense cooperation. Joint production of armed infantry vehicles was agreed upon. The ministers expressed mutual support for a political solution in the Israel-Hamas conflict and pledged humanitarian aid to Gaza. The next important commitment in this summit is the semiconductor partnership discussion, including the strengthening of India-US partnership on semiconductors. The main outcome of this summit is the US and India have agreed to strengthen the defense ties, enhance supply chain independence to the security of supply arrangement, boost bilateral trade in energy, healthcare and technology, increase collaboration in clean energy and climate action, emphasizing renewable energy deployment and greenhouse gas mitigation. Thirdly, we have curated the Uttarakand tunnel collapse rescue operation. On November 12, 2023, 41 workers were trapped due to the landslide. Commencement of rescue operation with the involvement of NDRF, SDRF, Border Road Organization, NHI, DCL and ITBP. On November 21, 2023, visual contact established with trapped workers using an endoscopic camera. Workers seen receiving food items through a pipeline, marking a crucial development in the rescue efforts. On November 12, 2023, drilling restarts, making significant progress. Ambulance kept on standby as the machine drills through around 45 meters. On November 28, finally, the breakthrough in the last stretch of rubble about 7 p.m. Successful evacuation of all 41 workers, marking the conclusion of the 17-day rescue operation. At fourth, we have 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. Australia regained its ODI cricket supremacy in 2023, winning the World Cup and achieving success in Test cricket, including the retaining the Ashes. Travis Head's standout performance in the World Test Championship and the World Cup final contributed significantly to the Australia's victory. Key players' performance includes Virat Kohli's exceptional batting, scoring 765 runs in the tournament, earned him the title of the best player, but India faced disappointment in the final. Glenn Maxwell's extraordinary 201 not out against Afghanistan is regarded as one of the best innings in World Cup history, featuring an unmatched display of aggressive and innovative cricket. The ICC World Cup's main impact on advertising revenue. In the business point of view, the advertising revenue from the broadcasting of the ICC Men's World Cup cricket exceeded the expectations primarily due to India's strong performance, leading to a surge in viewers' interest, especially during crucial matches. Disney Star's ad revenue surpassed the initial estimate of a 25% rise, reaching around rupees 3,000 crore, driven by heightened viewers and substantial OTT platform viewership. The advertising landscape witnesses a significant boost, with ad spends on digital doubled compared to the 2000 edition, and TV ad spend for CWC 2023 growing by 25% higher versus 2029. The ICC World Cup 2023 witnessed a growth of 19% in average ad volumes per match compared to ICC World Cup 2019, with over 50 new categories and more than 195 new brands advertising in the 2023 edition. Lastly, we have one of the most important major news of 2023, the OpenAI's management shakeup. What actually happened? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, was initially dismissed by the board on November 17, accusing him of lacking consistent candor in communication. Greg Brockman, the president and co-founder, lost his board seat and resigned. Microsoft hiring. Microsoft announced hiring Altman and Brockman for a new advanced AI research team, causing employee uproar. OpenAI employees signed an open letter threatening to quit unless Altman was reinstated. The board got reshuffled. OpenAI, facing employee backlash, announced Altman's return and a reshuffling of the board. Several board members, including Brett Taylor and Larry Summers, were removed after he reinstated as the CEO. The concerns and disputes are: the dismissal revealed growing tensions with OpenAI. Some, including Sutskever, expressed worries about AI risk and felt Altman prioritized business over safety. Altman's disagreement with Toner's safety research paper added to the disputes. The reshuffled board may prioritize commercialization, focusing on GPT-5 development, intensifying competition in the generative AI market. OpenAI's accelerated technology and development could intensify competition in the generative AI market, with major players like Google, Amazon, Meta, and startup entrings. Experts express concern about the societal impact and potential misuse of incompletely understood AI products, prompting regulatory considerations. The main impact of this management shakeup are: express warn of societal risk, potentially leading to increased regulatory scrutiny on AI tools. These are the 5 important news of November. We will be posting the top monthly news and global events to help you prepare with your VAT and PA. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, please leave a like button. Also join our Telegram group specially for VAT-PI preparation, where we'll help you out in preparing for your B-School interviews. We have dropped the Telegram link to join in the description below. Thank you and all the best.